Okay, now see question number 25. If theta is an acute angle and sin theta is equals to cos theta, then find the value of 2 tan square theta plus sin square theta minus 1. Okay, so these things we have to find. So first draw a right triangle. Okay, suppose this is ABC and this is your theta. Theta is an acute angle here, and what is given here? Sin theta is equals to cos theta. See here, sin theta is equals to cos theta. Okay. So what is sin theta? P upon H, and cos theta is B upon H. So that you can say it means P is equals to V. It means perpendicular and base both are equal. Got that? So see here, sin theta is equals to cos theta. So we are writing its ratio P by H equals to V by H. H we cancel out. It means P and V both are equal. So this side is equals to this side. So you know that this is an isosceles right triangle. So it means that when two sides are equal, it means their opposite angles are also equal. Okay. So for that, what is the value of theta? This 90 and these both are equal. So what is the value of this? 45. This 45 degree and this also 45 degree. Fine. So now see that we have to solve this. So what can we do? What we know that we start from that. Okay. Tan theta. Tan theta I told you. Tan theta is, we can do this by two methods. Tan theta I told you sin theta by
cos theta.
Cos theta. Okay, so you can change the value as well. So we can write here 2 sin square theta upon cos square theta. Okay, plus sin square theta minus 1. This thing also we can do. Okay, so you can take the LCM. Cos square theta 2 sin square theta plus sin square theta cos square theta minus cos square theta. Okay, so this will be the equation. Okay, so like this also we can solve, but it will take too much time. So for that, the simple way we are going here, directly we can put the values of these two, tan theta and sin theta. We know that the angle is 45 degrees, so we can write this like 2 tan square 45, okay, plus sin square 45 minus 1. So there are two ratios, that is tan and sin, and we have to find the value of these standard angles. So basically this is a question that has been asked from the next chapter. In the next chapter you will learn all that things in detail. I will tell you 3 methods to remember the values of standard theta. But here, according to this 45 degree, I am telling you how to find the value of these things. So let's see this triangle on 45 degree, right? This is 45 and this is 45. Suppose this side is 1, then this will also 1 because both are equal. So if we find by the Pythagoras theorem, it will comes to be root 2. Okay, so from that triangle we have to find these trigonometric ratios. So according to that, 2 into tan 45. What is the value of tan 45? 1. Right? So 1 square plus what is the value of sin 45 from this? P by H, 1 by root 2. So we can write 1 by root 2 whole square, then minus 1. Right? Only what we are doing, just only putting the values of these standard theta. So that thing you will learn in detail in your next chapter. Okay? Here only just write how we have found this. according to 45 degree. Okay, then you will learn 30, 60, 90, 0, all that. So now solve this 2 plus this 1 by 2 minus 1, 5. Take the LCM, this is 2. So this is 4 plus 1 minus 2. So 5 minus 2 by 2 is equals to 3 by. So this is the final answer. Okay. So directly we can put the values here.
Okay. Instead of that degree 1, angle 1, if I do like this, then sin theta is equal to cos theta.
Sin theta, okay.
So sin upon cos is equal to tan.
This will cancel out.
No, sin theta is equal to cos theta. So I will that bring cos theta and below sin theta, transpose it.
Here, this tan theta equals to sin theta cos.
Here sin theta is given. Sin theta is equal to cos theta.
Yes, okay.
So I will bring cos theta below sin theta by transposing.
Equals to 1.
So tan theta is equal to 1. Tan value I got. If I know tan value, then I know perpendicular and base value, because tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular is 1, base is 1, then hypotenuse is 1, 2. So
that is also these are equal, the ratio will be 1. So you can find here a sin by consistent, you can find the
1 by hypotenuse,
then you will find your
root 2 will come, the sin will be 1, sin 1 by root 2.
okay. So actually these things you also remember for standard values, for 45 degree I have drawn, and for other theta in the next chapter. So directly you can remember here only the value of tan 45 is 1 and sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Okay. Note it down, then we do next question. In different ways we can do it, right? Like see here also we can cancel this. Okay, so we will be there that find only sign from this put that also by any other means.
We can cancel because they are equal.
They are
Then sin will be fine.
Done this? Done? Okay, let's see one more question. Question number 26. Question 26. Part first. Cos theta tan theta is equals to, you have to prove it, sin theta. Prove. So actually these are very basic questions. So first thing is that for proving, only what you have to do, just only try to solve by using the identity that you know. Not 6 a very big question, or how you can prove. Just start whatever your mind, whatever things you can change. Start and you will see that it will be automatically true. And the one thing you remember, this one. To make the question simple, we just always try to change the value in sin and cos. Okay, that is a simple thing. To make it easy, just try to make the trigonometric ratio in the form of sin and cos. So what we actually do is already cos, so we will not touch this. This is tan theta, we can change this. So cos theta into what we can do for that? Sin by
1 cos.
tan minus sin theta by cos. Okay, simple. This cancel out, so what we will get? Sin theta equals to sin theta. Okay, LHS equals to RHS.
Sir, I'm not alive.
Huh?
I'm not alive.
Huh?
I've used the table.
Which table?
This one. Yeah.
I told you these things you can do by any method. You just put these values, okay, and go from this table and solve this, you will get LHS RHS. Well, similarly, second part you can do. Third I am telling you. Third part I am telling you. This is sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta is equals to 1 by cos theta. Okay, this means we have to prove. So here we can use that identity that you have learned. So first step is that these are already in the cos and sin, so you can't check. So only first thing is that you will take the LCM. See here, start this question number 36, third part actually. Sin square theta by cos theta plus cos theta, we have to prove equals to 1 by cos theta. So these are already decided first form. I told you they are in cot, cosec and other things, other forms. So we just try to change it to sin and cos. But these are the basically the simple ratios, right? So these are already there. So what we can do, we are just taking the LCM only. Okay, so this is cos theta, fine. So cos is already there. Will be sin square theta plus cos square theta, right? But we are taking LHS only. So there is an identity. I told that sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So directly put it 1 by cos theta. Okay, has proved. LHS equals to RHS. It is proved. There is an identity that we have discussed. So this is sin square theta plus cos square theta is always equals to 1. This is an identity. Okay, by that we have. So these are about today's lecture. So complete this whole exercise. Okay, rest of the questions are your homework. Try to do it. Okay, not saying you have to do this. You should try yourself, and if you are unable to do, tomorrow we will cover these. Then we will start MCQs from this only. Okay, children.